Good morning from the Nasdaq stock market in New York. I'm Stephen Brown. It's Monday, April 19th, and no surprise what the big news is today. It's still the SEC versus Goldman Sachs. That news is still affecting the markets today. That came out midday Friday, of course, and spurred a big round of profit taking and took the markets lower Friday. That continues today. Looks like the market futures are modestly down so far. The Dow's off about 53, and the Nasdaq and the S&P are both down about 6.5 points each so far. With the Goldman story, this is going to be an undertow for the markets for months to come. A couple of points here. I mean, there are unconfirmed reports out so far today that there are actually other investigations being conducted both here and in Europe. Don't know for sure whether that's strictly involving Goldman or other firms, but still that's out there. Clearly, this whole matter does not do anything to instill or reinstill investor confidence in Wall Street. That's out there. And then, of course, there are the political cross currents as well. President Obama is going to be hitting the road this week to push for financial reform. So this will be an ongoing issue for quite some time. But moving along, we do have other things going on in the markets this week. Earnings will be front and center. We do have a couple reports out today. Citibank is out this morning. They beat expectations. But we have hundreds and hundreds of reports on the calendar for this week. They include Amazon, American Express, Verizon, Fifth Third, Ford, Sandisk, Starbucks, eBay, Amgen, and even Goldman Sachs. So that will be an interesting one to watch. Analysts are going to be looking for signs of top-line growth to see if revenues are increasing, which would, of course, have some kind of hints onto where the economy is going. And lastly, the economic calendar. Today, the only thing we have is leading economic indicators due at 10 a.m. Everything else is back-weighted to the end of the week. Thursday, we'll have the weekly unemployment claims and PPI, existing home sales, and then Friday, we'll get new home sales. So that's it for today. I'm Stephen Brown from Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk. Take care.